Guarany's 12-litre professional backpack sprayer comes with a 5-year commercial use warranty. On opening the box, you will find the sprayer itself along with the lance and pump arm. Most of the sprayer is pre-assembled and no tools are required to complete the assembly. All of the required components to achieve full assembly come with the sprayer. These include the pump arm, lance, service kit, spray tip, elbow joint, filter, 2 R-clips and a washer. This sprayer has a compact tank designed to reduce movement when working on uneven terrain. To assemble the pump arm, you'll need the 2 R-clips and the washer. Firstly, insert the short end of the pump arm into the pump handle and secure with the washer and 1 R-clip. Next, attach the long end of the pump arm to the top of the pump and use the second R-clip to secure. The pump arm is now assembled. To assemble the lance, you'll need to attach the end of the lance to the trigger and use the black thumb nut to secure. The lance is now assembled, and this concludes the full assembly of the sprayer. The 12-litre professional backpack sprayer has a brass trigger set which is used to activate or stop the spray through standard operation of the lever. The lever can also be locked into continuous spray mode. Unscrewing the trigger handle will reveal a filter that prevents time-consuming blockages and prolongs its working life. The standard yellow spray tip can be changed to a different spray tip depending on the required spray pattern and flow rate. All Guarany sprayers come with a 100ml dosing cup conveniently mounted in the lid, a deep sieve filter that aids filling and helps prevent spillage, and a large, easy-to-handle lid for operators wearing big gloves. This sprayer features a double bushing copper piston pump for longevity and reliability. It halves the mechanical effort required to maintain pressure in the sprayer. The service kit that is provided with the sprayer is used to service the pump quickly and easily when needed. Each of our sprayers have highly chemical resistant Viton seals, which also make servicing easy.